Oh my God. All right off the trowel. We're going to mix some concrete patch today and cover them cracks in the concrete wall, guys. This is from a viewer that commented on my video that I had for the cracks in the concrete. And I believe this is the proper stuff to use. Earwig. The consistency where it can stay on. Don't want it too runny because I want it to stay in the crack. A little bit more. Let's apply some mortar in this crack. Oh, that didn't go on very good, did it? Oh my God. All right off the trowel. Guess that's why I'm not a bricklayer. Stayed on there. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but I'm doing it. Anyways, I got that crack filled. That's pretty good. Looking better. I think you gotta have the perfect consistency. It just runs out. I don't work a lot with concrete. That looks pretty good, guys. What do you think of that? Let's head back to crack number 2. See what we can do with that. Maybe I should be putting it out with my hands. Get right in there. I don't have a pointy trowel. Stick will work. Get her in there. Now let's try some trowel. Oh, shoot. Maybe too much. A little bit less. There we go. It's covered, guys. Got another little crack there. I guess we could put a little more there. Put a little bit extra. Go over here. We have a little bit of extra here. Cover that one too. Good. That's them, guys. That's 3 of them. 4 actually. One over there, that was the big one. It's nice to get that one covered over. And then this one, and that one, and that one. They're still thinking about putting a piece of angle iron across them, across this one, from there over to here. And then I'll cinch anchor it to the concrete with concrete anchors. And then try to bring that crack back a little bit at a time. Turn the anchors tighter, a little bit tighter, a little bit tighter over time. So probably the next thing we're gonna do is throw some of these, just the rocks back in and just make a little base here with the rocks. I'm not gonna throw too much in. And over here, I might just leave that because that's mostly all rocks. And I'll just dig out, maybe over there, dig that back a little bit so it's not pushing against the concrete wall. We can get the mini, push that back, taper all this bank back a little bit here. This is all gonna get tapered back up the hill. Might as well put these rocks in because that kind of acts like a French drain. We throw these rocks back in here. I don't want them pushing up against the wall. I'll keep them away from the wall a little bit. This might take a little while. Put all these rocks back in. Beautiful day. Looks like a chunk of coal. That's what it is too. Chunk of coal. from way back. They used to burn coal in stoves many years ago. The railroad tracks come right by home here. The CN rail, and they haul coal. And all the coal that used to fall out because the cars were so full, they used to go along the railroad tracks, pick the coal up and burn it. It was a cheap fuel for sure. Got a long ways to go, guys. Another piece of coal. Put it back where I got it, I guess. Get some of these bigger ones up here. Getting there, guys. Takes time, but when it's done, it's done. You can move on to something else. Like a teacher I once had said, "What's worth doing is worth doing well," she said. I don't think I can make that any easier for myself with the Mini. We got the rocks in the French drain. And we got the concrete patch on. Covered up some holes. I'm going to fire up the HT20. There's a breeze, but we're not getting it. It's off the water. And the trees are blocking me from getting the breeze. It's getting a little bit warm. I don't want to push it when I don't have to. I can hold my hand on there. It's not screaming hot, but I don't have to work it right now. The sun is beating right on us. We'll give it a break. Give it a little break, guys.